travel the world, or gaining social media followers. You like the attention, free designer clothing, money. I know a lot of you guys out there want to become a model, but you just don't know how to do it. Trust me, I've been there, I've done that, and look, I'm a year and a half into my modeling career. If you clicked on this video wanting to become a model, then you are in luck. I'm gonna show you 4 simple steps, yes, only 4 steps to becoming a model. But first, we're gonna have to go over the requirements, the bewares, the don'ts, and does modeling really fit you? Make sure to watch to the end, because that will be when I will reveal the 4 simple steps. Trust me, it's easy. There are requirements becoming a model. Yes. You'd be surprised about these requirements because they're not exactly what you think they are. You don't have to be the most beautiful or super handsome or even an 8 out of 10 to become a model. Trust me. There are some models out there that wouldn't necessarily be the most attractive people in the world. Scouts look for who stands out. Some people get scouted because they have interesting skin or a special nose, or there are many reasons that someone can get scouted. So if you're not exactly the best looking, like me, don't worry, there's chance for you. Hygiene. Having clear skin. That is very important. Yes, there are some models out there that don't exactly have the clearest skin, but then they don't get booked as much. Think of it this way. If you're a makeup artist and there's 2 models, one of them has terrible acne, the other one has perfect, beautiful skin, who would you want to work with? It's easier and it uses less makeup to cover up the one with perfect skin already. Height. Height is a big thing, and yes, there is a minimum for guys and girls. For females, it's 5'7", and I'll put centimeters somewhere on the screen. And for guys, 5'11" for commercial, 6'4" high fashion. Jawlines. I don't know what it is, but maybe it's a trend or something. Jawlines are critical in the industry. A lot of you guys ask me this often. Hey, does weight matter? The answer is no. Surprisingly, it doesn't. Plus size models are starting to become a trend. It's going upwards. People are going from skinny, anorexic, to becoming muscular. But measurements matter. Some people are born with thicker bones, some people are born with skinnier bones. For example, African males usually have really thick bones, therefore they weigh heavier than us Asian males who have very thin bones. Answer is weight does not matter, measurements matter more. Some personalities will do better in the industry than others. You may be thinking, wait, personality matters in modeling?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
And I'm talking about real personality, not the personality, you know? Yes, it does. If you want to be a model, you have to be tough-skinned. You can't be upset when you get rejected. That's part of the industry. We get rejected every single day, and for what? For our looks. Yeah, models are the better looking people in the world, but we're the ones that get criticized for our look the most. I can go to a casting and the caster can straight up tell me, I don't like your lips. Next. Or I can travel 4 hours. They can look at me, glance up, down, do that, and then be like, next. 5 hours for 20 seconds. You can't be afraid of rejection. This is the dark truth of the industry that not a lot of people like to talk about. Next, you have to be very confident. Yes, modeling is all about confidence. Even if you aren't confident, act like you are confident. Pictures show everything. They show emotions. If you aren't confident, it goes through to the photos. You always have to believe that you're the baddest bitch out there on the runway.
You want me to be
You need to be able to take criticism and also to listen to instructions. That's a big thing. Photographers will often tell you, make your stomach skinnier, suck it in, flex your abs, dance. Hey, people dance on set, and those come out to be the best pictures ever. You also have to be mature. If you're not mature, a lot of times people in the industry will take advantage of you. Finally, you need to be able to hold a conversation. I'm not saying you need to be an extrovert, although being an extrovert would help, but you need to be able to hold conversations and meet new people and talk with them. Now we're on the very last category before I give you those 4 simple steps. And if you watched this far already, feel free to subscribe to my channel. I will appreciate it a lot. And also, my merch is dropping very soon. So go check that out as well. Actually, not check it out because the website's not out yet. Please. Hey everyone, it's Current Nathan here. It is almost 6 a.m. and I've been editing for 13 hours already straight. Subscribing will mean a lot to me because it means that all my hard work has actually paid off. There will be a lot of good content coming really soon, just like this one. Thanks again, everyone. Put on that post notification on. Also, follow me on Instagram if you want to see some of my personal modeling pictures. Follow me on TikTok. I don't know how, but somehow we hit 100K just today, actually. A couple hours before I started making this video. Woo! Thanks, guys. Let's get back to the video. Now to the part that you've all been waiting for, and thank you so much for sitting through all these, and I do believe that it is very important. Step number one, Google. Use Google to Google the best agencies around you. Read reviews, follow these agencies' social media accounts, and look at their website. Oftentimes, on their website, they will have something called open call, submit digitals, or become a model. Just click on those and usually they will tell you to submit photos. These kind of photos are called digitals, and what they are is just how you look from the front, how you look from the side. Sometimes I'll have you pose. Just follow the instructions on there. A tip to taking good digitals is to wear black. Black accentuates your features. It accentuates your nose, your eyes, your jawline, etc, etc. Black also makes you look skinnier and slimmer, and that's what a lot of modeling agencies like. And the more slim you look, the taller you look, which is a win-win. You don't need a special camera or anything like that. Just use your cell phone, very simple. And use daylight. Daylight is the best for this. All they want to know is how you look like from each angle. And if they are interested, they will contact you. But make sure you do not wear heavy makeup. You can wear some concealer, and that's about it. They want to see what you look like naturally. Another way is called open calls. Open calls is basically the physical way of doing digitals. So maybe they will post people of Toronto, for example, at this time to this time, come to this area and meet our scouts and have a talk with them. There they will probably take some digitals of you as well, so digital front, side, etc, see what you look like, and they will come back after a couple of days after they have reviewed, or maybe they will even tell you on the spot, hey, I want you right now. Simply send and you're on your way. If you have the requirements, they will respond. If you don't receive an email or a message back, don't give up. It might just mean that they already have someone in the agency that looks like you. If they were to bring in another Asian male that was around my age, that looked kind of like me, then it wouldn't be fair for me because I was the original one. I would be competing with him for jobs, and that wouldn't be fair for me or the other model. So keep on trying, guys. And there are many agencies, great agencies out there. Just keep submitting your digitals. And there you go. It's that simple. All you have to do now is wait and see, and that's about it. You don't need to spend money on some crazy fashion show or anything like that to get scouted. Just submit them online. It's the best way, guaranteed. If you like this video or found it informational, please leave a like. It will mean a lot to me. Feel free to follow me on any social media as well. My TikTok hit 100K today, as well as my Instagram. I post a lot of my modeling pictures on there, so if you want to see or if you want to ask me any more questions. I also do lives very often, so if you want to come and chat with me, I think that would be really fun. So without further ado, thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.